Welcome to Art of Sales. I am Raman Bawa. What is a product? A product could be tangible item or services you offer to the client for sale. How to present your product so that it becomes acceptable to the client and he buys it. Firstly, you need to do some homework here before you start talking to client about your product. You need to completely understand your product. Understand what need of the client your product fulfills. Many times, salespersons start pitching as soon as meeting with client starts, and this makes client disinterested and there is no sale. Client will buy the product only if it satisfies his needs or helps him to overcome a problem he's facing. So what you need to do is first determine, does the client you are meeting has the need of the product or is facing any problem which only your product can satisfy. Only then start selling about your product. Secondly, fully understand complete features of your product. Understanding complete features will give you confidence to talk and to answer the questions which your client may ask you. Identify what is unique selling proposition of your product. Unique selling proposition or USP means that different quality or feature which your product has, which makes it better than competition. For example, in case of mobile phones, brands come out with cameras which are better with more megapixels or batteries which last longer. Thirdly, understand who are the user of your product. Does your product cater to specific income group, or does it cater to a specific gender, or it caters to a specific age group? This will help you to understand which target segment you need to focus on. Fourth is the price. How does price of your product compare to other similar products? Is it same as your competition, or is it higher or lower? If it is same, does your company allows discounts to make it cheaper? If it is costly, does it have special features or better quality which makes it sensible decision to buy your product? Or if your product is cheaper, does it have same quality as your competition? Price of product could heavily tilt the balance of client's decision in your side. Fifth is about your company. You must know answers to client questions which client may ask, like what is the history of your company? Who are its promoters? How does your brand compare to competition? What is your company doing to make its product better? Sixth is about knowing your competition. What is your competition doing? Or what is it not doing? What is that your competition doing but you can do better? Or what is that you can do what your competition is not thought of? How should you improvise to keep ahead of your competition? Identify answer to all these questions. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it and subscribe to Being Intelli YouTube channel.